Hello, this is Exotic Gardening. My name is Yorkshire Kris, and on this week's episode we're going to be looking at those plants that I'm selling on my open days. It's got a large range of plants, including, as you can see here, lots of Persicaria red dragon, good healthy plants, good sizes as well. We've got an avocado tree in a pot down there. We've got some giant dandelion trees. We've got some clerodendrons down here. These are nice hardy shrubs, suckering shrubs, and they have really nice pink purple flowers that butterflies absolutely adore. Behind that we've got a nice aeonium there. That's Hirens. We've got Tradescantia, Maiden's Blush. We've also got Canna musifolia, which is one of the largest cannas we can grow. We've got Melianthus, the honey spurge bush, and that comes back from the ground every year. A bit of a sub-shrub, really unusual foliage on that one. Lots of little coffeas, little cigar plants, nice red flowers with little white tips. Lots of cannas down here, so we've got Canna alisteinii, and they will grow large and they're hardy. They stay in the ground for me every year and come back with no issues. We've got the tomato tree here. We've got some colocasias, and this is pink china. We've got some variegated Amicia zygomaris down here. We've got Canna Cleopatra with the leaves and two tones. Got the purple and the green. More colocasias, more Maiden's Blush. Lots more cannas down there. Got some little ferns up here as well in the back in the shady part. Some hardy ferns. Got some nice gingers. These are Hedychium forestii. So we've got several of those ready to get into the ground, nice and hardy. And then if we move to the top, oh no, we've got bamboo down there. We've got Chiskea gigantea hiding in the darkness at the back as well. And at the top we've got lots of arid plants. So we've got echeverias, we've got aloes, we've got agaves. Some have got some hardiness, some are tender, like this aloe here. More Melianthus. Some nice variegated agaves here. And lots of aeoniums. We've got not Maiden's Blush, that was the Tradescantia. This is Blushing Beauty. We've got lots of these here, lots of different aeoniums. And we've got some small seedlings of the chocolate vines as well. Lots more aeoniums, beautiful dark ones there. Got a yuccas. All sorts of beautiful cacti. We've got a nice homegrown Trachycarpus with a bonus nasturtium in there. We've got a sable palm down there, and more aeoniums, lots of those. Got the money tree, got cacti, more cannas here, some nice spiky solanums as well, and another little Trachycarpus palm as well. So lots of different plants. There'll be more added to this as well over the next few weeks, and then the open days actually not too far away in August, so you can book your tickets on the National Garden Scheme website if you want to come and have a look around the garden and pick up an exotic plant as well. Thank you for watching this edition of Exotic Gardening with Yorkshire Kris. Join me next week, we'll be doing more in the garden.